Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today we have a special guest.
I'm Shalini.
And today we're going to be, obviously by the title, doing my mom's makeup in predominantly Tamil. For those of you that don't know, my mom is South Indian. I'm half. I don't get to practice my Tamil very much, so please don't hate on the lack of competency, but I thought I would put it to the test today and just hang out with my mom to do a little something for Mother's Day. So I hope you guys enjoy. And if you want to see more videos like this, leave them in the comments below. Let's get started. Turns out we have another special guest. This is Zara. She's gonna get her makeup done too. So some of you may already know, but I am a makeup artist and I do get to get my mom ready every so often, but I just thought Mother's Day was a nice little occasion to get her glammed up for, and I think it's really important to especially give our moms the TLC that they need. Sometimes they forget about their own self-care and don't really take the time to do their own makeup, so that's something that I love to do. I especially love to work on moms and like middle-aged women especially. I just feel like they really enjoy the outcome. So that's kind of what we're doing today, but I should stop talking in English and we should get started in Tamil.
And while kalatle skin sunscreen potkunda nelde. So first Ruchika sunscreen porten muthi mela.
Okay. Na konchu foundation potkunda. And foundation is important because muthi glow varde namak theriyu, but complexion
Nanna kanaduna.
Complexion nanna kanadhu, but also like marks in the
adella kanadle. Yeah.
I'm struggling. You foundation potkriya uppiyu.
Nadinu foundation potkre entkina nanu pretty ya kaanunnu.
Amma eppadi potkren. Foundation on padu na konchu liquid VO2 color correcting concealer by Vasanti podre. Kan keenla because
Karup marks.
Yeah, karup marks irukkudu. So amma nee konchu sonna ellarku un vicharu neeyum panda neeyum vasicha.
ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲೇ ಸೌತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾಲ್ ಪರಂದೆ Tamil mix of Kannada and Tamil ಎಂತ್ಕನ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲೇ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾರ್ಚಂದ್ರ ಅப்புறம் ನಾನು ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲ್ இருந்தப்போ நியூயார்க் வந்தே நியூயார்க்கில் வாசிச்சே அப்புறம் so எனக்கு little bit of Tamil Kannada American accent, Canadian accent, ella mix aayirukkudu.
Very nice. Adke enku appdiye irukkudu. So in concealer eppadi to sadithka appro ipo eyebrows pandre. So nee eyebrows pannappo appadi ishtu pannadka.
Enak thicka ishtu eyebrows. Minnal thicka iruktu. Pinal konchu thin.
So I ain't the only one struggling. In concealer blend pannadkina modle, I'm going to be adding the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. Just patting it on top and letting it get a little tacky so that both concealers can blend before I blend them out into her complexion product. And this is also going to add a little bit more brightness and highlight. Back to Tamil, shall we?
Yes, we can try.
Concealer konchu dry anappo konchu spray potkunda romba easy aadu blend pannadke. So adke na konchu Mario Badescu Rosewater spray potkunde. Appu ipo idu dry otti sonna.
Dry.
Okay, idu dry irukkudu but ella konchu iru irukkudu muthi mele. So blend pannadukku easier.
And Rosewater gamma.
Party oppi sonna ennu waste pannadukku nanna illa.
Party inna yaru en theriyuma avalka?
Oh, Party means grandma, by the way, but I'm sure you guys can see in the subtitles that I'm gonna work very hard to include. So ipo na ella set pandren MAC Studio Fix pressed powder jyoti lovely today. You can answer this in English or Tamil, but seeing as it's Mother's Day, it might be appropriate to ask, what would you say was like your hardest battle or challenge being a new mom or even just like with motherhood over the years?
அம்மா அன்பட நிறைய ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டிஸ் இருக்குது. குஞ்சுகள் பார்த்துக்குது, ஃபேமிலி பார்த்துக்குது, கரியர் பார்த்துக்குது. பேலன்ஸ் பண்ணதுக்காகல லைஃப்.
Yeah.
Because உதான ஒன் ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணிடுறோம், நம்ம மறந்துடுறோம். So the tip is, whether you're a new mom, whether you are a mom whose kids are grown up, make sure you have balance in life and do things for yourself, either looking good, feeling good, taking care of yourself mentally, physically, and just be happy. This way everybody around you can feel that positive energy, you know?
Na amma ko future amma usharin illa anda yaarku ennu panadkaatla. So it is very important to focus on your own well-being, your own happiness, because you can't really do anything for anyone otherwise. So ippo na konchu Fenty Beauty Caramel Cutie bronzer potkre daudi mele konchu shape add panadka and glow add panadka.
You mean to make me look prettier?
No, you're already so pretty. In product ammad kan melu potkindirkepa. Right?
That's right. Beat chutney puri.
Okay, ippo konchu blush potkre daudi mele. I'm struggling. This is also not how I sound when I'm talking on a day-to-day, I think. Is this how bad I sound usually?
No. You're honestly so fluent, and I guess
it's just hard being on camera speaking a language that you don't speak all the time. Ippo ammad's favorite step na konchu highlighter potkindirke ammakku ippo und highlighter ungirkudu undishtu ada
I call this bling bling.
So ammak konchu bling bling potma. This is the Laura Geller Gilded Honey. Innu bling bling potma.
Kanne
mele.
Yeah, that one.
This?
Yeah.
This?
Yeah.
We're gonna use the Kaja toasted caramel. No, this is not toasted caramel, is it? Yeah, okay, fine. Ooh. Nidunku ishtama.
Romba ishtam and kan makeup romba ishtam.
So, unki enna ishtu potkudka kan mele matte shadows illanda like shimmery, like not glittery but shimmery shadows.
Most of the time matte shadow ishtu, but you know, ippadik ponmana parties or special occasions konchu shimmery shadow romba ishtam.
Bling bling shadow.
Bling bling and with a nice eyeliner.
And lashes
to make it more, you know, exotic.
So ippo eyeliner tara eyeshadow potkindirke ammakku. It's a dark purple, just to add a little bit of color because everything else is pretty neutral. And it looks really nice on brown eyes. And ippo ammak lashes podre. And I'm using very like light and fluffy ones. These are from my lash line from Ruchi by Ruchika, my makeup artistry company. And I'm just putting light and fluffy lashes on because my mom's eyes are very big and have kind of an almond shape, so these will make them look a little bit more doll-eyed, and it just works really well for her eye shape. Set I can lipstick podre. Oh my god. So ippo lipstick podre makku apru lashes set I can அப்புறம் இதெல்லாம் அன்பாடு மேக்கப் ரெடி ஆயிருக்குது. அது ரொம்ப நல்லா காணுது.
Ready to party.
Wow. So lipstick அன்பாடு நான் கொஞ்சம் lip gloss போட்டேன் அம்மாக்கு. And now she's ready. Doesn't she look gorgeous?
Thank you so much.
Lakshma Kandra. Wow.
Lakshma Kandra. Pretty. Thank you, Ma. Thank you for making me look like a doll. I feel so good. நீங்க எல்லாம் மேக்கப் பண்ணணுமானா என் பொண்ணுவே contact பண்ணுங்க.
I wanted to wish all of you mothers out there a very happy Mother's Day, and for all of you kids that are celebrating with your moms, I hope you make the most of it this year. I know it's a different one, but I know we're gonna be spending a lot of quality time just like we have been and just making the most of the situation. So this is a great time to be doing so. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed getting to know my mom and seeing me butcher my Tamil, but nonetheless, it was really fun to do. If you liked the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you guys very soon. Bye!
போயிட்டு வரேன். Happy Mother's Day.
Bye! How do you say eyebrows?
Eyebrows.
Oh.
See, you're the problem.
Okay.
I'm going to get up and go.
No, you're not. Okay, 3, 2, 1. What's up, everyone?